Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Pranab. In this video I have discussed about gene in a very simple way. What is a gene? Genes are instructions manuals for our bodies. They are the directions for building all the proteins that make our bodies function. Genes are made of DNA. One strand of our DNA contains many genes. All of these genes are needed to give instructions for how to make and operate all parts of our bodies. These genes contains the information for making proteins. Let's understand this with an example. For example, blood contains red blood cells that transport oxygen around our bodies. The cells use a protein called hemoglobin to capture and carry the oxygen. Of our 25,000 genes, only a few contains the instructions for making hemoglobin proteins. The remaining genes contain the instructions for making other parts of our bodies. Let's zoom into the red blood cells. If we zoom into the red blood cells, we will find capillaries, then you will find blood cells, then hemoglobin and oxygen. Observe the hemoglobin molecule. It contains oxygen and hemoglobin protein. If our hemoglobin gene is normal, the hemoglobin protein works fine. But if the instructions in that gene are changed or mutated means changed, changes in the hemoglobin protein could result. One such mutation causes a disorder called sickle cell anemia. Observe the red blood cell, it looks like a sickle. So it results because of the mutation of the gene. Mutation of the gene means distortion of the information. Genes contain instructions for building proteins which are involved in all sorts of things. Hemoglobin protein is just one example. Other proteins such as the enzymes that produce pigments in your eyes and keratin, responsible for growing hair and nails, are also produced by genes. In short, we can say that genes are the instructions for making new proteins, and these new proteins decide the characteristics or the features of an organism. Thank you for watching.